Okay, something that I think I should point out is you have these longer ones. One goes here. The other one, can't really see him very good, goes there. You have the other one goes here. So that's the three longest ones are on this side. And then you'll have four short ones right here. You have them there and there, 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 and then you'll have one other little short one right there. But, so you have your four long ones there, your four shorter ones in the middle. A good thing to point out, I don't know if you mess up it or not, but this one is longer than the little ones, but shorter than the big ones. It goes right there. I think that was something important to point out. But then once you get that out, take this one loose. Water pump's loose. Kind of hard to do with one hand. This, and I think there was 9 of these total. They'll drop that one, but I had to get it out. But there's the old one done. That thing is shot. Well, and that's how you take the water pump off of a 2002 Ford F350 7.3 diesel. Well, this is Adam. Thank you. Like and subscribe.